Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my November, I think this is November, Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah, this is the month for November. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. It's been a long day. I'm recording this at 11:30 at night. I just got off work, so my makeup's a mess. I apologize. I look like a mess, and just ready to go to bed, but I have to film this. So if this video is up late tomorrow, I apologize. It might be, because I don't think I'm going to stay up late and edit it, because I have to go to school tomorrow, and then I have to work after school. So, yeah. So this month's theme is Gold Digger, and it's got some really awesome stuff in here, it looks like, and I'm excited to look through it. So the first thing we have is from the brand Luxie, and it's their Luminous Eye Set. It's a set of 4 brushes, and they retail for $21. So first of all, I love the packaging. I think the packaging is adorable. It's got like polka dots on it. Oh, I just ripped the bag. Of course, that's my luck. Alright, so we've got these little brushes here, and they feel super soft, really nice, and these are the handles. I think they're so pretty. I'm excited to try these out and use them. And yeah, so there's those. Next thing we have is from Cover FX, and it's their glitter drops in the color Nova. Ooh, it's a really pretty, like, champagne-y gold color. Kind of want to swatch it. Ooh. That's so pretty. It's kind of like an oily feel, though. I don't know how I'll like that. I don't know if I'll mix it in with my foundation or just do it as, like, a highlight. Can't really see that well, but you can see it on my nose. I like it. It's so pretty. And that retails for $44. Alright, so this is from John Teblu, and it's a glittering star eyeliner, and it retails for $5. Let me see if I can open this. Maybe. Maybe not. There we go. And again, I love the packaging of this. It's got like a bunch of stars and like different glitter all over it. Oh my gosh. It's actually like a glitter pencil. Do you see the glitter in it? Wow. I think that'll be fun to play around with. That looks really cool. I like this theme. I love glitter and like just sparkles. Alright, so then from Bodyography, it's the makeup brush cleaner, and this retails for $12. I probably won't use this right away because I'm using the Revlon one, which I'm loving. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I got it on sale at Walmart for like $2, so, and now I'm wishing I got the rest of them because they're all sold out, and I think they discontinued them, and that's why they were on clearance. Alright, so now I have a palette. It's from Ace Beauty, and it's their Grandoise palette. I probably said that so wrong. Here's the packaging. I think the packaging is so pretty. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, something you would see like in the Victorian time, like something from Great Gatsby, I feel like. And this retails for $24.99. It's so pretty. I'm not going to swatch all these because I don't want to get them all over my hoodie, but these are so pretty. I think these would be great for like New Year's, like a New Year's Eve look. I really like this color Primrose and Myrtle right here. These are gorgeous. And this one, Patchouli, I think it is, looks like a perfect all over shade for my eyes. I'm really excited to play around with that. But yeah, that's everything I got in my Boxycharm. Side little question for you guys. I have like 3 Ipsy bags, I think, from previous months that I just never got around to filming a video for. I think it was for like August and September, and then I think maybe October or November is the other one. It goes to my mom's house and she doesn't always get them to me like on time, so I just want to know if you guys still want to see those, because I haven't used any of them, like any of the products or anything. They're just like sitting on my table because I didn't know if you guys would want to see it or not. But if you guys want to see it, I can do that for you. I think it'd be a really fun video, just putting all of them in one video. And I know you guys like unboxings and stuff, so. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here. This video is probably gonna be up late tomorrow, if not up on like early Wednesday morning, because normally when I close at work I don't get home till like almost 11, so it might take me a while to edit the video, but I know right now I'm going to bed because I'm exhausted. But yeah, my dogs are being weird. I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I wasn't as energetic, I'm exhausted, but I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.